Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai Chiran. All right, so in one of the last video we have seen how to create an AKS cluster. So in this video we'll see how to talk to that particular cluster. So let's see how to connect to the cluster. All right, so it's pretty simple. Let me show you. Let me go to the portal. Right. So this is our cluster, right? K8's cluster, correct? Okay, if you see here, it has succeeded and it is running, power state is running, fine. How to connect to the cluster, right? So let's go to CLI now. So see, it is disconnected. Let's connect it again. All right. Meanwhile, let me explain you the command. Okay. Yeah. So this is the command. So it is again, yeah, it is easy to talk to Azure AKS to work with Azure Kubernetes service, get credentials, all right. So what this will do is it will get a file which have required credentials. See, I'll explain about that file later because it's a kind of it's a huge concept which is called as config. All right. So this is the file where this config file will have all the information required information to talk to cluster. All right. So this will get that particular file downloaded from the master node. As we have discussed that will not have a direct access. I mean, like on the clusters on cloud, right? Especially AKS, right? The complete master node is managed by Azure cloud provider. Okay, so will not get exposed to the cluster, right? But we are working with cluster, but will not be able to have a direct access to the cluster. Okay, it is managed by Azure, right? So that is where if you give get credentials, it will download that particular kube config file from Azure master node. All right, fine. So how it downloads and all, it will be taken care by Azure. So without that file you cannot talk to cluster. All right, fine. Now name of your resource group, our resource group name where we have the cluster is env, and our cluster name is, what is that? K8 cluster. Okay, K8 cluster. All right, perfect. So copy this, go to your session. So it is created, right click and paste and give, yeah, enter. Super. If you see merge K8 cluster as current context, so what is context and all we'll see in kubeconfig discussion. All right. For now, in the home directory of the user, we have something got created like .cube as a directory. Okay. So if we give, if you see dot in front of a directory or file, it is hidden. All right. Fine. So inside which we have something like config. Right. With this we can talk to the cluster. All right. All right, fine, guys. So thanks. That's it for this video. We'll see in later videos. Yeah.